This is an egg. This is a parts per million counter. I decided that I could apply what he used, this little bit of technology, not science, this is technology. I could apply this technology and I could perform a practical scientific experiment where I could measure the density of a medium, in this case water, and I can make this egg move. I can observe my phenomena to be that some objects appear to float, some objects appear to sink, some objects will suspend in different mediums. My hypothesis is if I change the medium's density, the egg will move. My null hypothesis is that if I change the density of the medium, the egg will not move. I will activate one of the hypotheses. My independent variable, my presumed cause that I must manipulate in an experiment, is the density of the medium. My dependent variable is the movement of the egg. I will also try and keep everything else constant. The volumes of water, not will change, just the density of the medium. This is tap water, regular tap water. That is the same tap water, but it's been preloaded to save some time with some salt from this to give it a density variation. It's going to measure the density of the tap water. Okay, that's coming in at 212 parts per million, tap water. Don't know what that means, it's just a number. Don't know what that means, it's just a number. Don't know what that means, it's just a number. Yeah, so it's 200 and 300, right? So one's got 100 more parts per million than the other. That tells me that there is a density variation between the two. So what we're going to do is we're going to see what happens when this egg is dropped into here. Now we'll see what happens when we put it into a more dense medium. What I'm now going to try and prove is that if I change the density of the medium, I will cause the effect by adding salt. All we need to do is pour some of this in. Hey, what do you know? The egg's immediately moved. So what's the cause? Well, scientific method states that the independent variable is the presumed cause, and I presumed that changing the density of the liquid with salt would cause a displacement. So in scientific method, the cause of the displacement is this.